there's a news break coming in right now. The BJP scores a hat-trick in Haryana. Amit Shah, who hadn't spoken for a while, has now come out guns blazing against Rahul Gandhi. The Home Minister has tweeted a short while back saying Haryana, the land of farmers, soldiers, has taught a lesson to those who go abroad and insult the country for their vote back. I express my heartfelt gratitude to the people of Haryana for giving the BJP the opportunity to serve the state for a third consecutive term. The BJP government at the centre and in the state under the leadership of Modi ji will fulfill all your hopes and aspirations. In the next 1 hour, viewers, you will see the Prime Minister lead the celebrations at the BJP headquarters in the national capital. But the drums already beating where the BJP headquarters is concerned. Amit Shah, who'd been relatively very quiet right through the campaign of Haryana, right now coming out guns blazing after the BJP records a historic win. Amitabh Tiwari, we're going to cut across to Amitabh Tiwari, but Aishwarya joining us from the BJP headquarters. Aishwarya, what does it look like there? What's the program?
They'll give you a glimpse of the kind of celebrations that are taking place at the Bharatiya Janata Party headquarters. There are dhol, there are nagaras that have been brought in. People are all decked up. They are wearing saffron. We can see the Bharatiya Janata Party flags. There is enthusiasm. Everyone at the moment now, Preeti, waiting for Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The Bharatiya Janata Party was expecting that there will be a very tough fight, but the kind of numbers that they have got, 48 at the moment, that is something that the BJP was not expecting. The Congress, yes, it's a big shocker, Preeti. For the Congress also. Now I'll just give you a small glimpse. In all the quarters and all the corners of the Bharatiya Janata Party, these are the kind of celebrations that are now taking place. The Nagara that you just saw behind me, wherever you will see, you will just be able to see the band also. I'll show you the band also, Preeti. This is a band that has been brought in. So the celebrations will be galore, the dhol, everything. And just a couple of minutes back, we also saw firecrackers being burst. So this is what the BJP is readying itself for. This is how Prime Minister Modi will be welcomed at the BJP headquarters.
Aishwarya, what are we expecting? Because this was rather last minute, and I have to say the BJP always does put up an impressive show. So they've got the bands, they've got the laddus, the whole nagaras. It's Navratra right now at the BJP headquarters. What can we expect? The top leadership already there. There were meetings at JP Nadda's residence a short while ago. What can we expect later this evening?
We are expecting the Prime Minister to reach anywhere between 7:30 to 8 p.m. and the people are at the moment waiting for the BJP President JP Nadda. Not a lot of months left for his tenure to come to an end. We will very soon see a new BJP President, but in his tenure, it is the Bharatiya Janata Party which has won the state of Haryana. Just showing you a glimpse of the kind of, enthusiasm that you can see. Modi is the boss. So, those are the kind of visuals. And a band also has been brought in. Everyone now will be waiting for Prime Minister, even for the BJP President JP Nadda. He'll be arriving in just a couple of minutes.
All right, so the din of the band overpowering my colleague Aishwarya's voice. Modi is the boss. Well, that's the banner right now at the BJP headquarters.